In this segment you will learn how to rename a worksheet and make other worksheet changes. In this particular worksheet we're sitting on sheet 3 and we've got names, addresses, and other headings up here at the top in A1. One of the things that you can do on a worksheet basis is to copy this sheet to a new sheet. So if I go down here and I'm sitting on sheet 3, if I hit Control and hold it and then left click my mouse on my cursor, I have a plus in that little rectangle, and you'll notice that that black triangle follows me wherever I go. What this is going to tell me is that I can copy my current sheet. It's going to wind up just to the right of sheet 3. And we've got the same headings here now, and it's in sheet 3, the second version. Now, one of the other things we can do on a worksheet basis is to right click on the mouse, and you'll find a whole bunch of different commands here. Well, if I don't want to keep that worksheet that I just created, I can hit delete and make sure I want to delete it, and it deletes it. So now we're down to one version of sheet 3. If I click on that again, make sure you're sitting on the sheet itself when you right click sheet 3. I could insert at this point. Insert a worksheet. Now I'm at sheet 9. Well, sheet 9 isn't what I want, and I don't want it in that spot, so I can left click on sheet 9, and now my rectangle does not have a plus in it. I'll move it over to there and it gets in a better order, but it's not sheet 4. So if I right click again and rename, I can come down here and hit enter, and I've just renamed it. Other things you can do, you can move these things around like I did. You can make sure you're sitting on the sheet. You can move or copy. To various places within the spreadsheet. Before the sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, move to the end, create a copy of it. You can protect it from here. You can change the tab color any way you like. You can hide the sheet. You can insert a workbook. You can unhide a sheet. Sheet 4 was the one we hid, so let's unhide it, and it shows up again. So to review, we can insert, delete, rename, move and copy. We can protect the sheet. We can change the color. We can hide. We can unhide. We can select all sheets. This is good when you're formatting. You can select all sheets and do something all at one time. And you can add a sheet. You can insert using the menu here, or you can just click on the icon here, insert worksheet. You can also shift F11 and do the same thing. This now concludes the segment on renaming worksheets and other worksheet commands.